Okay, now you've done your personas and your user stories, we'll get to pick one and work on it. Choose one of the journeys, preferably one that didn't work too well.
Okay, let's use the example of a user logging in to update their email address. As a user who's recently changed their email address, I want to update my email address so messages get sent to the right email.
We're going to do this on a big whiteboard. You could do it digitally, but post-it notes work best, and it's easier for more people to get involved. Starting at the top left, we lay out the stages using a post-it note for each stage, about a metre apart. These describe the broad things that our users can do. In our example, we have get onto the website, log in, identify the details I want to change, and then make the change. Next, get some different coloured post-it notes. And running horizontally, we're going to add the granular details of the doing actions that the user does at each stage. For example, in get onto the site, it could be a few things. It could be Google the site name and click on the link, or search through my email and click on the link.
For login, our doing actions might be locate the login area and click the login button. Or type a username and password, press the login button.
In the identify step, we would find the details I want to edit and hit the edit button. Lastly, in the make the change step, type in the details for the email field, press save and land back on the edit details area with a saved confirmation.
Okay, now we've just seen an example of one simple user flow. You're probably sitting there thinking, but our website is really complex and there are hundreds of possible things people could do. You're right. And you can repeat this process for all of the important user flows in your site. But the thing to remember is that most of the time when people use a digital asset, they use it for a few seconds. Think about how you use apps on your phone. You pick it up, use it, put it down. Don't get bogged down in mapping too much technical complexity. That's what coders are for.
And so we've just mapped out the factual stuff that happens when your user takes the journey. But remember, a human is using the system, and humans think and feel and question. So we'll map out the human side of things next.